Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 15R and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, so the gear icon. Right now we have to scroll all the way down to find system and update. So again, localize gear icon and tap on it. And now let's tap on the third option, language and region. So if you've got your language right here, all you have to do is to tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. Your device will ask you whether you want to change the language, so just tap on change, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in your chosen language. If you do not have your language right here, simply tap on this option with this, let's say, edit icon, and now we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find your language and tap on this plus icon next to it, and your device will now ask you if you want to change the language. So just tap on this first option. And as you can see, from now on the whole system again is displayed in the chosen language. If you wish to remove the languages from this list, just tap on this edit icon again and a minus icon next to the language you'd like to remove, and tap on the first option, of course, to confirm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.